Have you ever pondered the enigmas surrounding the process of aging? What precisely occurs within our bodies as we advance in years, and is there any way we can exert influence over this innate progression? Aging is an unavoidable facet of life, yet comprehending it can empower us to make decisions that potentially enhance our well-being and longevity. Envision if you could unravel the intricacies of aging and utilize that wisdom to enhance your own existence. In this video, we will embark on precisely that journey. You will acquire knowledge about the broader scope of aging, delving into the fundamental biological mechanisms that define this voyage, and how our choices and lifestyle can significantly impact these mechanisms. This comprehension will not only deepen your understanding of the human body but also equip you with practical strategies to gracefully age, improve your health, and prolong your vitality. What is aging all about? In 2013, a workshop was held in Italy, bringing together the world's leading researchers in the field of aging genetics. The purpose of this gathering was to provide a definitive answer to the question, what exactly is aging? Over the course of 2 years, these scientists collaborated and reached a consensus on the fundamental biological processes that contribute to the phenomenon of aging. Their publication, titled Interventions to Slow Aging in Humans, outlines 11 crucial processes that constitute the experience of aging. While it is not feasible to delve into all 11 processes, let us focus on 4 of the most significant biological phenomena that can aid in comprehending the concept of growing older. These include oxidative stress, autophagy, telomeres, and senescence. To begin, let us examine oxidation. If you were to slice open an apple and leave it on your kitchen counter, it is highly likely that it would turn brown by the time you returned. When the enzymes within the apple come into contact with air, they react with oxygen, leading to the breakdown of specific chemical compounds. This natural process, known as oxidation, occurs not only in nature but also within the human body. Reactive oxygen species ROS, which are produced during normal cellular metabolism, are responsible for oxidative stress. Although ROS play a crucial role in certain cellular functions, excessive amounts can cause damage to DNA, proteins, and lipids. This cumulative damage leads to cellular dysfunction, contributing to the aging process and various age-related diseases. On the other hand, autophagy acts as a housekeeping service for your metabolism, clearing out unwanted or damaged proteins stored in your body. Essentially, our cells and proteins are constantly being damaged or deteriorating. When we consume excess nutrients, the body can replace these proteins with fresh ingredients, resulting in a buildup of old proteins. However, when the enzyme sensor AMPK detects that the body no longer has excess fuel, the cleanup process begins. Autophagy mechanisms start breaking down the accumulated proteins into spare parts. The breakdown products, such as amino acids and fatty acids, are then released back into the cell, where they can be reused to build new cellular components or used for energy. Unfortunately, both AMPK levels and autophagy decrease over time, coinciding with the accumulation of oxidative stress. As damaged proteins continue to accumulate in our bodies, we start to experience signs of aging. Dysfunctional autophagy has even been associated with various diseases, including cancer, neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, and infections. In the following sections, we will explore ways to reduce oxidation and enhance autophagy. However, before we delve into that, let's discuss 2 more crucial mechanisms involved in the aging process: telomeres and senescence. Telomeres and senescence play crucial roles in the complex process of aging. Telomeres, which act as protective caps on our chromosomes, are akin to the plastic tips on shoelaces. They safeguard our genetic material during cell division, gradually shortening with each division. This natural process is comparable to the gradual wearing down of a protective shield. However, various factors such as oxidative stress, environmental exposures, and lifestyle choices can expedite the shortening of telomeres. As telomeres reach a critical length, the cell's ability to accurately replicate is compromised, leading to an increased risk of genetic errors and instability. This gradual erosion of telomeres is closely linked to cellular aging and heightens the susceptibility to age-related diseases like cancer and heart disease. In response to telomere shortening or DNA damage, cells activate a failsafe mechanism known as senescence. Senescence acts as a cellular retirement plan, causing cells to cease dividing when they sense their own vulnerability. Initially, this serves as a protective measure against the proliferation of potentially harmful cells, particularly cancer cells. However, the accumulation of senescent cells over time becomes a cause for concern. The metabolic activity and release of inflammatory and tissue-degrading molecules by dormant cells, known as the senescence-associated secretory phenotype, SASP, can have detrimental effects on neighboring cells and contribute to tissue dysfunction. This phenomenon is implicated in various age-related diseases such as diabetes, arthritis, and atherosclerosis, highlighting the role of chronic inflammation driven by SASP. The connection between telomere shortening and cellular senescence provides insight into the intricate balance of the aging process. It involves weighing the body's defense against immediate threats like cancer with the long-term consequences of accumulating senescent cells. This complexity underscores the challenge of targeting aging at a cellular level and emphasizes the potential for interventions that can influence these aging processes. Eat more of these. That is the essence of aging. However, how can we halt or at least slow down this process? It should come as no surprise that what we consume greatly influences the longevity and well-being of our bodies. And no, I am not referring to the consumption of young blood. The most proactive measure you can take to promote longevity lies within your diet. Interestingly, 4 out of 5 of the primary dietary recommendations for modern Americans do not involve cutting out certain foods. In fact, it is the foods that we are not consuming enough of that can have the greatest impact as we age. Increasing your intake of specific beneficial items, such as nuts, whole grains, and high-pigmented fruits and vegetables, can play a unique role in extending your lifespan. Nuts are particularly noteworthy for their remarkable health benefits. Packed with unsaturated fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, nuts are nutritional powerhouses. Research has demonstrated that consuming nuts twice a week can have life-extending effects comparable to jogging for 4 hours a week. This impressive comparison stems from nuts' ability to regulate cholesterol, reduce oxidative stress, and improve metabolic health, thereby lowering the risk of chronic diseases and minimizing the visible signs of aging. The significance of vegetables, particularly dark greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli, cannot be emphasized enough. These nutrient-rich foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Antioxidants such as beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin combat oxidative stress, a major factor in aging and related diseases. The fiber found in these vegetables not only aids in digestion but also contributes to heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. Likewise, fruits, especially berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are essential for an anti-aging diet. Berries are rich in antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress. These fruits also provide vital vitamins and minerals for healthy skin, immune function, and overall cellular health. Their low glycemic index is beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, an important aspect of metabolic health. Incorporating these foods into our diet can offer extensive health benefits that contribute to a longer lifespan. By focusing on consuming more nuts, whole grains, dark green vegetables, and berries, we can positively impact the aging process of our bodies. The mechanisms by which these foods work, from reducing oxidative stress to improving metabolic health, highlight the profound influence of diet on the journey of aging. Eat less of these. When it comes to improving our longevity through dietary choices, it is beneficial to examine the lifestyles of those who have already lived well into their hundreds. The blue zones, regions known for having a high number of centenarians, share a common dietary pattern. These regions predominantly follow a plant-based diet. Research in the field of longevity strongly supports the adoption of such a diet. As we increase our intake of foods that are beneficial for our health, it is only natural that we consume less of the foods that are not. Animal products, particularly those found in the standard American diet characterized by processed foods and red meat, are identified as major risk factors for premature death. Consuming red meat and processed meats has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, cancer, and other health issues. Furthermore, it may come as a surprise to learn that eggs, which have long been promoted as a healthy source of protein by the poultry industry, have actually been found to have detrimental effects on life expectancy. Egg protein, primarily found in the egg whites, has been shown to be even more harmful than red meat. The high levels of saturated fats, cholesterol, and certain inflammatory compounds present in these animal products contribute to their negative impact on our health. Reducing the consumption of specific amino acids found in meat and other animal products can trigger cellular pathways that provide protection similar to those activated by calorie restriction. This does not require a drastic decrease in overall food intake, but rather a shift towards protein sources derived from plants, which have been linked to longer lifespans and a reduced risk of age-related diseases. By combining these strategies, adopting a plant-based diet and being mindful of the types and amounts of protein consumed, we can establish a comprehensive approach to nutrition that promotes anti-aging. This approach not only aligns with the body's natural processes but also significantly contributes to overall health and longevity. From water to wine, we have discussed the importance of food choices in our diet, but what about our beverage choices? In the pursuit of a diet that promotes longevity and supports healthy aging, what we drink is just as crucial as what we eat. Water, undoubtedly, takes the lead as a healthy beverage. It is the quintessential drink for sustaining life, essential for staying hydrated, maintaining bodily functions, and supporting cellular health. Water is the ultimate choice for hydration, benefiting everything from cognitive function to joint health. When it comes to tea and coffee, these beverages can offer health advantages when consumed in moderation. Hibiscus tea, for instance, is an excellent addition to your diet due to its high antioxidant content. Green and black teas also provide antioxidants and have been associated with various health benefits, such as improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Similarly, coffee, aside from its well-known stimulating effects, contains compounds that may help reduce the risk of diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. However, in line with our recommendation for a plant-based diet, it is advisable to avoid adding milk or switch to soy. Now, let's address the topic of alcohol. You may have come across research that highlights the health benefits of moderate wine consumption. While it is true that demographic studies suggest that individuals who have a glass of wine with dinner tend to live longer, the wine itself may not be the sole reason for this. Typically, individuals who consume a glass of wine during dinner tend to belong to more affluent demographics. Their extended lifespan can often be attributed to their overall healthier lifestyles and dietary habits. Additionally, these studies often fail to consider individuals who have stopped heavy drinking, categorizing them as lifelong non-drinkers. This misclassification has been proven to distort the findings, making moderate drinkers appear healthier in comparison. From a longevity standpoint, it is always recommended to abstain from alcohol entirely. While water should be the primary beverage in an anti-aging diet, other beverages such as tea and coffee can also have beneficial effects when consumed in moderation. It is needless to say that sugary and processed drinks like soda should be avoided. The key lies in being mindful of the beverages we select, recognizing that our choices can significantly impact our health and lifespan. All things lifestyle. In addition to dietary strategies, lifestyle factors play a crucial role in promoting healthy aging. Exercise, sleep, and stress management are vital components that not only impact the duration of our lives but also the overall quality. Exercise is an integral part of healthy aging as it offers numerous benefits to our biological mechanisms. By bolstering the body's antioxidant defenses and improving cellular health, regular physical activity can effectively reduce oxidative stress. Moreover, exercise aids in the removal of damaged cellular components through autophagy, thereby ensuring optimal cellular efficiency. Furthermore, maintaining an active lifestyle through regular physical activity contributes to the preservation of joint and muscle function. Whether it's engaging in strength training or aerobic exercises, prioritizing an active lifestyle becomes imperative for maintaining functional abilities and enhancing overall well-being as we age. Sleep plays a crucial role in the aging process. Contrary to popular belief, our need for sleep does not diminish as we grow older. However, as we age, we may find it more challenging to get as much sleep as we used to. Quality sleep is essential for various biological functions, including the regulation of processes associated with aging. For instance, disrupted sleep patterns can worsen oxidative stress and disrupt normal cellular functions. Studies indicate that sleeping only 5 hours per night for a week can have health effects comparable to smoking. Conversely, excessive sleep can also have negative consequences, highlighting the importance of finding a balanced approach to rest. Additionally, it is important to remember the significance of stress management. Chronic stress can accelerate cellular aging by intensifying oxidative stress and inflammation, shortening telomeres, and potentially increasing the number of senescent cells. Effective stress management techniques, such as mindfulness, meditation, and engaging in hobbies, can help mitigate these effects, benefiting both mental and physical health. A comprehensive approach to healthy aging encompasses not only a nutritious diet but also an active lifestyle, balanced sleep, effective stress management, and strong social connections. These lifestyle choices work synergistically with the biological processes of aging, contributing to the preservation of both the quality and quantity of life. Summary: the process of aging is intricate and influenced by various biological factors such as oxidative stress, autophagy, telomere shortening, and cellular senescence. We have investigated how lifestyle choices, particularly in terms of diet, can have a significant impact on the aging process. By increasing the consumption of beneficial foods like nuts and high-pigmented fruits and vegetables, while reducing the intake of animal products and processed foods, we can positively affect the aging process in our bodies. Additionally, adopting a plant-based diet has proven to be effective in promoting longevity. Apart from diet, other lifestyle factors such as regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and effective stress management are crucial for healthy aging. These practices work in harmony to mitigate the biological mechanisms of aging, not only extending lifespan but also enhancing the overall quality of life as we grow older. This comprehensive approach emphasizes the importance of maintaining a balanced and mindful lifestyle to slow down the aging process.